When the floor exposes the leak. Hi, I am Nora Victor. Welcome to Living the Spiral, a safe space for clarity and learning how to walk away from what hurts. I was standing in the market, my place of work, my place of survival, my place of visibility. I wasn't hiding, I was present. I was standing in life. A friend came to buy something and we looked at each other. Life felt normal for a moment. Then a man approached me and said, "Let me." Before anything could happen, my uncle appeared and said, "Never try that. This is my sister." And just like that, the moment ended. As I walked back towards my shop, everything changed. People were packing my things out, my notes, my efforts, what I had built. No warning, no permission. I ran to my aunt and said, "They said it's tax authorities." The pressure system began anew. When I returned, the landlord said they were packing my shop because water had flooded it. And I saw it, water gushing out everywhere. I went inside to check. That's when I saw something small, something hidden, something that had been leaking quite until it overflowed. I told the landlord I would love it, and then I woke up. This episode isn't about loss, it's about revelation. Spiritually, my shop is my destiny, my source, my assignments, my provisions. The flooding wasn't a punishment. It was emotions, years of pressure, fear, and survival that I carried silently. The people packing my things weren't thieves. They were exposure. And the pipe was the leak. Where my energy drains, where my peace escaped from. Giving without seeing myself. The most important part of this dream wasn't the flow. It was what I saw. I saw the source, and I knew I couldn't block it. This is what living the spiral looks like. Not panic, not to collapse, but awareness. I am learning to protect my space. I am learning to seal the drains, to seal what drains me. I am learning that not every overflow is destruction. Some are interventions to heal. I am not losing my shop. I am reclaiming authority. At this time, nothing drains